everybody, how's it going? Welcome to this installment of Mike's Vehicle Vlogs. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy Holiday because that is when this vlog is airing. It's going to be technically a Christmas vlog because, well, we're going to have some cold starts on Christmas. Today is December 24th, 2020. It's Christmas Eve. And, you know, as of right now, we have a winter storm warning. And I'm getting ready to look at the information about it, but from the sounds of it, there's going to be a lot of snow, and it's going to be extremely cold tomorrow, which is Christmas Day. And that'll give me an opportunity to give you guys our first cold starts for the winter season of 2020-2021. And I'm expecting it to be pretty good if it's actually a winter storm warning. The weather is actually getting ready to turn here rather quickly this afternoon, and I still have some places that I have to run to in preparation for tomorrow's holiday. So, real quick, let's take a look at this weather situation, see what I can look forward to tomorrow. Oh yeah, so my neck of the woods is definitely in that pink, and the pink is obviously the winter storm warning. And we had a winter weather advisory, so they actually upgraded it to a winter storm. So this must be getting worse than they had originally anticipated. And yeah, I'm looking forward to this. It's going to be rain into snow today. It was warmer earlier. It's actually still 52, so it's still pretty warm. And it's supposed to get down to about 22 tonight. And tomorrow, it's only supposed to be 22. And as you can see, tomorrow night, it's going to be a low of 14. So depending on when I want to go out there and maybe start these cars up, it could be still in the teens, but I'm sure there's going to be a wind chill involved in that also. They are calling for 6 to 9 inches of snow. Yeah, they upped it. I think it was originally like I don't know, 4 to 7 or something like that, but now it's 6 to 9. And woohoo. So I'm not going to bore you guys with the entire weather aspect of this, but I am expecting a cold start for tomorrow on all three cars. The Fusion's not going anywhere today. The Fiesta's not going anywhere today. I'm going to take the Grand Am today to do the last of what I have to get for tomorrow, and then that'll be it. So I'm not even going to be gone that long this afternoon to get what I got to get. So there's not a whole lot going on today. And that being said, I actually have video footage that I'm going to show you guys of the most recent oil change that I did on the Grand Am. It's the first oil change after we had to redo the intake gasket job again. Not really redoing it. I had to reseal 2 areas because oil was leaking out of the engine from the intake because the RTV sealant that I used thinned out a little too much and didn't seal all the way to the corners, I think. So I had to redo the intake. I started the engine up, didn't even think about how much coolant was going to be dumped into the oil, and we got oil and coolant contamination once again. So we already changed the oil once. So far everything looked good, and this oil change that I'm going to show you guys right now is going to prove that as of right now the engine is top notch, healthy. I didn't see any other signs of contamination, and even right now it's still looking pretty good. I filmed this footage with my phone when I was at work after hours. After the day was done, I stayed and wanted to take care of the Grand Am. And for some reason, the files on the phone, they weren't really cooperating with my movie software like they normally do. I don't know why this time was different. So I've had a hard time trying to get these files to work properly in this. So if some of the footage looks kind of weird or glitchy or something, that's going to be why. And if you don't want to watch this part of it, just skip ahead to tomorrow where we will do these cold starts. But other than that, that's what I've got for right now. So I will leave you guys with the oil change of the Grand Am for those of you who are interested. And other than that, I will see you guys tomorrow, hopefully with like 9 inches of snow on the ground. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Oil change time. So this is the first oil change after we did the intake again. So I think, gosh, I don't remember, probably about 1,000 miles on it. So Let's see if it looks normal. I'm assuming all of the bad stuff came out of it. I'm seeing more wetness. I know some of it's probably coming from that crank pulley because it's all bunched up there. Some of this could possibly be left over from when that intake was not fully sealed because of the RKVC sealant, which is why I'm doing this oil change again. So actually, it looks pretty good. It still looks clear. Nice. So I think at this point, this engine may be free of any danger from any coolant contamination. Yeah, that looks pretty good going in there. And I had it running for a while. It's not like scalding hot. It's warm. Wow, yeah, it's still pretty golden. Clear. So I think it's good. I think it's safe. So the oil going in will probably stay in for, what, about 3,000 miles. The actual service interval for this engine originally. All this other wet stuff that I'm seeing, I'm probably gonna spray down. I'm noticing some back here around the transmission pan too, and I'm kind of hoping the pan's not leaking. It might be runoff from the wind, but I have a feeling it's actual transmission fluid. So that might be something that we gotta take care of. And up there, I think that's left over, so I'm gonna spray all that down and then monitor it and see where it goes. We'll set this to get our filter. For the most part, it's actually pretty dry up there. The last time I sprayed it off. I mean, there could be a chance that the crank gasket's leaking, but I wonder if I tighten this again. I kind of forgot we had the Napa stuff in here. Move that over, there we go. I think I have officially spent more money on oil changes for this car than I did the Aztec. Pretty sure. All right, so I'm gonna button it up, fill it up, and get out of here. Ooh, I got cut earlier, and I feel this going into my arm, into the cut. Not a good feeling. All right, that'll probably be all right. Running out. So once that dries, it should look a little bit better, and then I can see if it's still leaking anywhere. I'm pretty sure that area up there is going to be leaking, but everything else, we'll see if it stays dry. All right, see, there's two lights. Yeah, the brake clean pretty much, this is left over. I started running out, so I didn't really get up in there that much, but that's okay. Could be a real rear main leak also. I bet that's a possibility, especially because there's no cover on this flex plate, which I didn't notice until now. So the rear main could also be leaking. Back here, kind of missed over there. Got a little bit of the back of this, but it is what it is. I just want to see if any of this is going to end up getting soaked again. I didn't think anything leaked under here when I bought the car, so this could be mostly recent developments, but it is what it is. These gently used tires that I put on this thing are so far holding up pretty well. I'm about to double check and add air to these while I'm here before I leave and lock everything up. They should be at 30 PSI is what this car is recommended for. So this tire is good. I always try to keep it just a little over, like right about there maybe. Driver rear, also doing good. Yeah, that's good right there. Front passenger. Yeah. So all four of them are actually holding up pretty well. And these in the back here are 6/30 seconds and the fronts are at 8s. They really didn't have a whole lot to choose from in this particular size when I went as far as a set goes. So that's why I have better ones on the front than I do on the back, but either way this car is so much better with these tires. Everything's also still dry on the top. What was back there, it all kind of crustated. Inside, all that stuff never leaves. But we're gonna flush it out actually with some new stuff, and we are doing 4.5 quarts this time. 530 synthetic blend. Yeah, there you go. Now you can see the bottom of the head again. Nice. Doesn't look like anything's sticking to it yet. No signs of sludge or anything. All right. Shut this off real quick. I don't know if where the volume is. So 119,869 miles. So this won't be due again until about 122, almost 123. Change oil light on these, you push the gas pedal slowly 3 times with the key in the on position. There it goes. Alright, now we can lock this place up and go home. There we have it. So, I guess we'll go on to whatever this vlog is really about. Have fun. I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, so here we have it. Christmas Day. I got a lot of shoveling to do. Sun's coming out. What time is it? Almost 10:30 in the morning. And the temperature is 17. The storm warning is still in effect. Feels like 4 with the wind. And my gloves are in one of these 2 cars. We'll try the Fusion first. We'll just work on down the line. So the Fusion, wow. Original battery. Really don't think it's going to pull through this winter. This is the coldest I think it's been so far. I'm actually not anticipating it on starting. This is all frozen. There we go. I gotta measure how much snow we have too. I got my yardstick over there. Gotta set it up. Alright. Well, my gloves in this car. No. Oh, they must be in the Grand Am. Alright. So like I said, I don't think this one's gonna start. So, let's see. Let's get this off. Want everything off. I'm gonna turn the auto lights off also. This says 20. Alright, will it start? Man. Man, every time it starts, I'm so surprised. Wow. It really does sound like it doesn't want to hold on. Alright, so we'll let this one run for a while. Not really planning on going anywhere today, guys. Alright. We'll move on to the Fiesta, which has a battery that I think is 2 years old at this point. I think it was about 2 years I replaced this one. Ooh. Not too bad. Alright. Look at all that snow sitting there. Jeez. Make sure everything's off. Okay. Here we go. Alright. I didn't think this one was going to be a problem. And last but not least, the 03 Grand Am with a newer battery, a newer AC Delco battery that came with the car when I bought it. Let me break this handle. Oh, this one does not want to budge. Oh. Well, there's a whole bunch of snow that just fell in. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nice. Look at how much that is. Dang. Oh, you guys maybe noticed that earlier. that's going to be one of our first repair videos in 2021. I already know what the issue is, so I want to tackle that as soon as possible because I do miss using my window. Alright, we'll turn that off. Everything else is off. Here we go. Alright. They all start again. That shut all the way. Nice. So we'll go like right here where it's flat. Let's see what we got. It's a little over 6 in this spot. They were saying about 9. It is still snowing. It is going to keep snowing for most of the day, I think. So there's a chance that it may get that high. I don't know. Let's see where the porch measures up to. Yeah, it was about the same. So about 6. Got about 6. Alright guys, so there you have it. Christmas cold starts. Not the coldest of cold starts, but so far I think it's been the coldest all year, and obviously the sudden amount of snow that we have accumulated, you know, almost in the last 24 hours. Not even really that, really. But day and a half. I don't know. That's it. So, I got some shoveling to do, and then I'm going to enjoy the rest of my Christmas day. So, if you guys enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. Check out teespring.com/stores/Mike's Vehicle Spotlight for all of your MVS and vlog merchandise. That's all that I've got. Merry Christmas to you guys. Hope you guys are having a wonderful holiday. And I will see you guys in a few days. Take care.